How to make logo bigger on Squarespace. And this is about to help you here on this video about to understand how that can be really understood on what we are looking for and how we can start to deal with that. That is still to be about to be some kind of the integrations that can be really satisfying for what we are looking for and how we can start to deal with that. That is still to be really very important on the progress that we are looking for and how we can start to situate for that. So what we can do exactly about to be doing it is about be really satisfying for what is going to be included through the design panel and site styles through that. So what we can do exactly is to click on edit, click on, for example, edit site header, click on edit design. Now we start to see the logo. Okay, but I go for the site styles here. Now start to search for the logo. It can be really here to by miscellaneous. Click on image blocks. Now start to search for logo, and that is all about to help you here on this video.